Hello everyone, here from Hergelia Lifestyle Center in Romania. This lifestyle center is very well connected with the Migdalia Lifestyle Center. So we present you today 3 treatments, hydrotherapy treatments that can use when we have different problems. So my name is Ovidio, I'm here with my colleague Sorin, and we will present you this kind of treatment. First treatment that we want to present is the contrast bath. Contrast bath has the advantage that combine the positive effects of hot and cold water. We need 2 basins of water, one with hot water, one with cold water. So the treatment, it's like this. We stay in the hot water 3 minutes and then we switch immediately in cold water 30 seconds, and we switch 6-7 times. So I will ask my colleague Sorin to introduce the food in the hot water. The water is 40 degrees Celsius and the cold water is around 50-20 degrees Celsius. This kind of treatment we use when we have sore muscles, edema, and after a hard day work, it's very useful. Hot water dilate the blood vessels and bring more oxygen, bring more nutrients and antibodies. And cold water, because it has the opposite effect, reduce the pain. So 3 minutes passed. So I will ask Sorin to move the legs in the cold water. Here we're going to stay 30 seconds, but meanwhile we have to complete the hot water. We can use water from the tub, simple water. The 30 seconds pass, so we ask again to move the legs in the hot water. And here is the natural pump for the blood vessels. After a long day, this is very comforting, but also nice treatment for the muscles. Always we finish the treatment with cold water. If we have fractures, if we have sprains, this is not indicated in the first 24 hours. So if you have sprain or fractures, don't use this in the first 24 hours. If you have injuries, make sure that after this treatment you can take care of the injury. This treatment is very good for injuries because helps the recovery, natural recovery of the body, but of course after we finish we make sure that the injury is well treated. So don't forget, every time when you switch to the cold water, you make sure that we complete with hot water. Because this is a demo, we can imagine now that this is the 6th or 7th time when we have to move in the cold water. So as I told you before, we always finish the treatment with cold water. So please, Sorin, please move your legs to the cold water. Here we will stay 30 seconds as usual. And for sure, his muscle, his circulation will be better. We'll have a much improvement. Make sure that the legs are dry. This is a simple natural remedy that you can use everywhere where you have the possibility to have a cold water and hot water. But if you don't have these possibilities, use ice package and a hot towel. And switch every 3 minutes and 30 seconds as I told you before. See you next time.